What is a shank in golf? A shank is a mishit in golf, where the ball strikes the hosel of the club, causing it to veer sharply off course, often to the right for right-handed golfers and to the left for left-handed players. The hosel is the part of the club where the shaft meets the club head, and when a ball strikes this area, the contact is unintended and leads to erratic ball flight. Shanks are dreaded by golfers of all skill levels, and are often associated with feelings of frustration and embarrassment due to the unpredictable and errant results. History and origins of the term shank. The term shank has been a part of golf terminology for centuries, though its precise origin is unclear. The word itself comes from Old English sanka, meaning leg or joint, which could metaphorically refer to the joint-like hosel of the club. It likely entered golf lexicon during the game's evolution in Scotland, where colorful language often had moments of frustration on the links. The shank has historically been one of the most feared mishits in golf. Early club designs, which were less forgiving and more prone to mishits, made shanking a common problem for even skilled players. As golf equipment technology evolved, manufacturers worked to minimize shanks through design improvements such as cavity, back irons, and perimeter weighting. However, even modern clubs cannot fully eliminate the possibility of a shank if the golfer's swing mechanics lead to improper contact. The mechanics of a shank. A shank typically occurs when the following happens during a swing: club path and angle issues. The swing path brings the hosel closer to the ball than intended, causing contact with the hosel instead of the club face. Weight distribution. An improper weight shift, often too much toward the toes, can lead to the hosel striking the ball. Grip and setup. A grip that is too tight or an overly close stance to the ball can increase the chances of shanking over the top swing. An incorrect downswing path can push the club's hosel toward the ball. Addressing and fixing shanks. Fixing a shank requires identifying and addressing the root cause. Common remedies include adjusting stance, ensuring proper distance from the ball and avoiding leaning too far forward. Weight shift, distributing weight evenly and maintaining balance throughout the swing. Swing path drills, practicing drills that encourage an inside to outside swing path to avoid hosel contact. Mental reset. Overthinking or fear of repeating a shank can exacerbate the issue, so maintaining composure is critical.